Good morning, Namaste, all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. Today I am going to speak about the harmony of life. In a female horoscope, fifth and seventh house indicates sex potentiality of a lady. 12th house, Mars, Moon, and Venus also indicates the sex degree of female. Fifth house is social house, indicating her relations with other people on a purely emotional basis. Romantic affairs, children, pleasure, and affection. Customs and traditions are also connected with fifth house. Similarly, religious customs are studied from the ninth house. Fifth is Prajna, Pradibha, Medha, Vegashakti, Puradanam Punyam, Mandramadhya, Tanujaha. Ninth is Bhagya, Dharma, Punya, Tapas, Pitru. The moon governs emotions and Mars plays the part of Venus in a female horoscope. So if Mars is aspected or conjoined in a female birth chart with Rahu or Saturn, she becomes active in filtration with a male and has illicit connections. The question of such relations to be bounded in the marriage depends on the disposition of Mars, Moon, Rahu, Saturn in a male horoscope. Based on the above principles, we provide below a few yogas involving only our fascinating planet, Moon in female horoscope. There are other many yogas on the above heading. A combination of Mars, Venus, and Moon in seventh house renders the lady unconditionally passionate. A square aspect becomes Sun and Moon in a female horoscope indicates that the lady prefers relations with men. Moon position in the fifth house indicates lack of constancy in the romantic life, as one has tendency to change from one man to another. Venus too has a great effect on the romantic life and love affairs. Venus, when well placed by sign and aspects, you will be more attracted to affectional matters, and the aspects that Venus makes will indicate your satisfaction, etc. A sextile or trine aspects between Mars and Moon or Mars and Venus indicates gain and satisfaction in sex matters from opposite sex, whereas square opposition or conjunction indicates reverse results. Your Cancer sign has its first decadent of Moon. If you fall in such first decadent, then you are emotionally involved in sex and has healthy sex drive in you. But it depends upon your moods. Sex has great influences in your life. Third decades of Moon of your Scorpio Sun sign indicates that home and family life forms an integrate part of your sex nature. This nature depends upon your mood and feelings as you have great reserves of sexual energy. If sun is one horoscope has the same longitude as moon or the rising sign in other horoscope, it is conducive in good attractions. If moon box in one chart has the same longitude as rising sign or sun in other horoscope, it is conducive to harmony. Moon in one horoscope, one in good aspects to moon in another is for good relations. Sun in good aspects to ascendant or moon in the other is good sign. Moon and Venus having same longitude in each other's chart show much pleasure and enjoyment. A girl's birth moon sign, which is 4th, 7th, or 10th, from boys' moon sign is quite favorable. Moon's relations with seventh house, Lord gives a girl a husband of amiable nature. Moon's relations with the seventh house, Lord Mars, or if Mars is posted in the seventh house, indicates husband of the lustful nature but of an amiable character. When Moon and Mercury are posted in the ascendant, the woman will be mean, jealousy, and fond of happiness. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with